and we are sunk in the ground. A couple inches for sure on the soft grass. So I guess I will be using my traction mats. Wow, this wheel is really sunk in the ground. Now, since I'm stuck in the grass so deeply, I'm going to lift the back end up, and I have some traction mats I'm going to put under it. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm off the ground yet in the back or not yet, so I'm going to go back and have a look. Okay, I've definitely lifted them out of the hole. Jacks are down. The jacks have sunk quite a bit into the ground here. They're nicely off the ground on this side. Should be able to get my mats under there, no problem. This is my first time using them, so they are brand new and spiffy clean. Work. Put one on the other side. There we go. Now I'll drop it back down on the ground and we'll see about pulling it forward. Retract my jacks. Okay, it says they're done. I'm going to go back and check. Yeah, that one's off the ground. Nicely tucked up inside. Of course, I'm going to check both sides. I'm also going to check the front just to make sure nothing changed. Yeah, this one's off the ground nicely. Wow, this wheel is really sunk in the ground. That jack is off the ground. And that jack is off the ground. So it looks like we're good to go. I'm going to pull it forward enough that I can drive right off of the traction mats. Okay, let's see what happens. Well, I have to say the first time using these was great. They work great.